Good morning and welcome to the World First Morning Update with me, Joe McKenna, on today, Monday the 17th of January. Aussie US is tracking just above 99 cents, Aussie Euro around 74 on market, and Aussie Sterling at 62.50. We'll start off with the US, a bit of data out of them last week. We had industrial production figures out, they were slightly better than expected. We've seen the industrial sector doing pretty well of late. However, retail sales were slightly down on expectation for what market participants have priced in for December. Came out at 0.6% versus 0.8% expected, not a massive decrease on expectations. Over in the Eurozone, we've seen CPI come out slightly higher than expected, 2.2% versus the EU's target of 2%. So we may see some slightly hawkish rhetoric from the Eurozone, the central bank in the coming months, which could lend further support to the single currency. However, the main reason that we've seen the euro strengthen of late against the Aussie dollar is down to the recent bond auction in Portugal and Spain, both of which have gone very well. Now this of course makes it less likely for them to dip into the EU bailout package, so of course the single currency has done well on the back of this. Now the main focus for Aussie dollar at the moment is the impact of the Queensland floods. A lot of market participants are saying that it's going to dent GDP, Australian GDP by 1% this year. It may have an effect on CPI as well. Of course, this makes it highly unlikely that the RBA will hike interest rates in Q1 of this year, which could add a little bit of weakness to the Aussie dollar. So all eyes will be on how that story unfolds over the coming months. Major data out this week is the Chinese data out this Thursday. Of course, they've been introducing credit restrictions of late, increased interest rates as well just before Christmas. So it'll be interesting to see how China performs. Of course, we are linked with the Chinese economy. If they do well, Aussie dollar will strengthen, so all eyes will be on that for Thursday. That's about it from me for today, so please catch up with Robert Malcolm on Wednesday and he'll fill you in on how we've been doing up to then. Until then, have yourself a good Monday.